My sourdough discard sandwich bread is a household favourite, and it's equal parts simple, quick and delicious. All you need to get started is water, sourdough discard, flour, salt, yeast, sugar and butter. You'll need a stand mixer for this one. It makes mixing the dough so much easier. Allow your stand mixer to knead the dough until it's soft and elastic, just like this. Then you'll need to allow your dough to double. Once the dough's doubled, you'll need to shape it. I've chosen to shape this one using 3 simple dough balls. You'll need to pop the shaped loaf into a buttered loaf pan and allow it to rise again. You want the dough to double again so that you can see it above the lip of the pan. You can see how much mine has risen in this video. Then you'll need to bake the loaf until golden brown before cooling, slicing and enjoying with your family. I really hope you love this one as much as my family does. Here you go, Manny.
Hey, thank you, Mommy. Smells good.
For more recipes just like this one, make sure you follow the Pantry Mama.